Nestled by the breathtaking Lake Keystone, this 0.29-acre lot in Walnut Park Estates offers the perfect spot for a vacation retreat or a permanent home. Enjoy easy access to lake activities like boating, fishing, and swimming. With stunning views and a serene atmosphere, this property provides a peaceful escape, only minutes away from the lake. And with owner financing available, it's never been easier to make this dream property your own. Seize the opportunity to own your slice of paradise in Walnut Park Estates, where peaceful lake living awaits. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Osage County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.